Hello there. If you liked what you just saw with the fireworks, I'm going to show you how you can create those for free, and we're giving you the model for free as well. Go to studio.worldcast.io, and once you're there, you'll be presented with the Start Creating button. Let's go start creating. So you're going to go over to GeoCAST, select GeoCAST, select Freemium, and once the map loads, you can either type in the address you want, you can type in the lat long if you happen to know it, or you can just zoom, pan, and tilt the map. In this case, I know my city really well, and I'm going to place the fireworks on this big dock of which you saw the fireworks on. So this is great for Independence Day. I'm going to just double click to place the fireworks right here. I'm going to call this Fireworks, so I can find it with the cast catcher in our studio within the portal and when I go back down there. So let's just go edit, and you'll be able to find yours with whatever name you name as well, and you'll see that illustrated after this tutorial. So I'm going to go 3D object. You're going to go to the 3D model from library, and you're going to type in fireworks. It may take a little bit for the models to load up, but once you see the animation playing, just simply select the element and go select. It will drop at the location that you want it to be. In this case, I'm going to tell it to be 140 meters tall. I'm going to go to altitude and put it 0, so it's on so it starts on the ground plane of reality. And last but not least, I'm going to select glowing experimental. Very important for fireworks if you want them to have that glow effect that you saw in the video. And now I'm simply going to go save. That's how easy it was. Save and publish. You'll see how fast it saves. And after this, you're going to see a video of how you can activate with the portal. That's all there is to it. Now go to the location once you've done it and scan for the within the WebAR. Have fun creating, as always. Simply go to portal.worldcast.io on your mobile browser and select the Explorer world around you, then find the cast dot in front of you with whatever you've named it. I called mine Fireworks. Enjoy.